We are here at Parrot Mountain in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. We are going to take a tour of Parrot Mountain and Gardens. There's our first one right there. He's an African gray parrot. Oh, there's one right there. He's really cool looking. Oh, listen to all these parrots. This is a cool place to be. These guys are everywhere. Oh, he's... Oh, wow. Are you dancing? Are you dancing?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Getting to the groove of it, birdie. Yeah. Birdie, try to beat this. Are y'all monkeys down there?
What are you fussing about?
Then you're going to clap. Like that. Y'all say that.
Oh, wow.
You really can.
Thank you.
God. Do they think they're monkeys?
I don't know. They're crazy.
They're monkeys?
Oh, look at him.
Are you a monkey?
Oh, he's happy. Hi there. Are you a monkey?
He's a monkey. Hi. Oh, yeah.
He's happy.
Up and down. What is that? Is that a
Oh, he's
mimic
funny.
bird?
Up and down, up and down, up and down.
Up and down. Up and down.
He's excited.
Stop. Up and down.
Oh, wow.
Up and down.
We're here looking at a scarlet macaw.
Hello. Do you talk?
Those some guys right there. Those are pretty cool.
Do you talk? Since you're so magical, do you talk?
Don't put your hands up there. They bite you.
Hello. Hello.
As the sign says, do not touch or feed. The wild birds will bite.
They are on a special diet. Do not feed.
Bye, guys.
Hello. Hello.
Hey there. You got a long tail.
That was getting cozy, Jeff. Bird kissing.
Let me see. Are they funny?
The bird kissing. That's gross.
You like cameras? Is that why you come here?
Dang.
Talk to me. Hey, how's it going?
Pretty. Pretty bird.
Pretty bird.
Pretty bird. Pretty bird. He's a military. What are they doing?
Those two are there flirting. Look at them.
Yeah. What are they doing? They're just playing, Zachary.
Look at her being all cute.
Look at that one just...
He's up there like, yeah, I see you. Or is that him? I don't know which one it is.
Yeah, come on. Up and down. Up and down, little birdie. Up and down. He's a parrot.
He's a parrot.
Up and down, little parrot.
Hey, how are you? He said, hey, Mom, today.
No, hey. Hello. Hello, hello.
What's your name? What's your name?
No, say Zach. Zach.
Zachary?
No, why are you going to say some long name? Say Zach.
Zach?
Zach.
Hi.
Hi. Say Zach.
Zach?
Yeah. Yeah.
Can you say Jeff? Jeff.
What the holy heck? I suggest you leave her alone. Hey. How's that?
What's your name?
Hey. What's your name?
Hi. Goodbye.
Hi.
Goodbye. It's cool up in here. This is cool up in
I
here.
hope these things are not. Hello.
Those guys are cute.
Hello. Why do they not fly away?
I don't know. Because they've been trained, I guess.
Do you know why they don't fly?
Their wings are stuff.
Oh, their wings are clipped. I got you.
Hi there. He's getting his belly full. Be careful.
You're pretty hungry, eh? Hello. 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 Hello.
Hello.
That's Beth. Oh, hello. 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 Know what you're gonna eat off your foot? Hello. Hello. Hi. Hello. Me. Hi. Me. I'm talking to the bird. Hello. Hi. Hello. 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 Beth, be quiet. Hello.
These two went under there and kissed each other and they got scared. Look. They're kissing under there and get scared.
What the holy heck? What are they doing? They're sharpening their beak.
Hey there. Man, that's a big old peacock there, Mama.
Yeah. Look, turkey? Look, these guys are turkeys, Daddy.
I'll see him. There's something right there. There's an egg right there. Yep, that's some egg. Where's this guy? He's pretty cool looking.
That looks like a turkey.
He's not.
He looks like a peacock.
That's kin to the chickens. You can tell by the way they walk.
Look at this little guy walking back and forth. Where's he at? I don't see him. Guy is humongous. Look at his feathers.
Huh? You?
Yeah, you.
Wow, he's huge, ain't he?
He's old, I bet.
They're so pretty. They're so pretty.
Can you show me your pretty colors, your fan?
Come on, lift your fan up, please. Cardi's feathers.
What's his fan, though?
Lift your fan up.
Man, look how big they are. God almighty.
Lift it up by like.
That's awesome.
Oh my God, he's gonna lift it, Jeff.
Oh, he's got his. Oh, look at that. He's spread them out. Look.
Holly, it's beautiful. Holly.
Come on, lift it back up, buddy.
Look at them. They're like bones. They're like, you see them that holds them up there?
Come on, lift it up. Lift it up. Come on, lift it up. Come on, lift it up. Come on. Do that again. But higher. Lift it up. Higher. Come on, lift it up. Come on, lift them up.
Look at his head turn.
To the secret garden entrance right here.
Ooh.
I don't know what's back here. We're gonna find out. Pretty cool. This is the.
Look at the little bird, Daddy. No. Look at the little bird.
Look at me.
Hey, look at the little bird.
Oh, look, by his hands we are fed. The bird. That looks like macaroni.
It is.
Looks like it.
He didn't
This is pretty cool.
Ew, what's that blue stuff?
I don't know.
Bird crap.
Look at his head. Oh wow, he's cool looking.
Get it off of me, Jeff!
No, he's just a little bird, Mama.
Get it off of me! Get it off!
You okay, Mama? Wow, what are you
Oh, there's a cool one up in the tree.
Did he stick his claws into you? Mom, look at that one, Daddy. Did he stick his claws into you?
Some of them do. Hey there. Oh, look at that bird.
Hello. Hi.
I didn't have food.
That's pretty cool.
Oh, there's a bird.
This is cool.
Oh,
Do you talk? Hello?
Pigeon. Look at the baby.
Hey. He said hello, Mama.
Hello. Hello.
Hey there.
Hello.
What's he doing? Trying to sleep?
Yeah, he's got his. I don't think he likes it because I put the camera on him.
Look at him. Hi.
Hi there.
He's old.
Hello. He's talking on it.
Hello.
He said hello to you.
Hello. Hello. Who said hello? Hello.
Hello.
Who said hello? He said hello. Okay. Who said hello? Hello. Hello. Did you say hello? Hello.
What's your name? Can you say Zach?
No, it's him. It's him. Really, it's him. That blue one. Hello. It's the blue one who talks. Will you attack me if I get through here?
No, don't put your finger. This is fun. These guys are everywhere, man. These are. Hello.
Hi. Hello. You said hi.
They're too loud.
Not on you. No. Hello.
Oh, look at this guy. He's bebopping. Look at him. Bebop. There you go. Bebop.
Come on, bebop.
Is that a yes or no? Look at him. Look at him.
That's the male. That's the female. No, keep bebopping. Bebop. Come on, bebop.
Oh, you want. Hey there. Hello.
Bebop.
Okay, are there lines in the video?
Is this, I got it on there.
Will it be on the video?
No. Look at it. Ain't it funny?
Yeah.
Bebop, I challenge them.
Oh, you got it, man. You go right ahead.
Go
Hello. Some of them will talk, some of them won't.
Stop. He won't stop. Look that bird again.
He must have a Toby Max on.
Dad, don't go in that way. Let's go there, Daddy. Look.
Okay, look at these guys.
Daddy. Look, that bird's still.
Is he still bebop? Let's look at it. There he is. He's jamming, ain't he?
Watch, Dad, watch. Go back and forth.
He can't get rid of it. Look.
Stop.
He just wants, he's a showmaker right there, man. Look at him. It's all about him. He wants all the attention. That's why he's holding his everybody. Oh, these guys are small.
Oh, look at these guys.
Look at these guys, Mom. They're smaller.
Hello.
Keep trying. They know that they're going to but they're excited. Not gonna bite you.
What exactly? Oh.
Just throw my hand up like why I don't
Yeah,
want
he won't hurt you.
like this.
Put him over here when you're done. He'll go back to his perch.
You want to hold him on?
Oh, my battery's going dead. Maybe.
Yeah, turn around.
If it will not bite.
No, they tickle it. It's actually real soft. Oh, look, she's not gonna hurt you.
I like to hold her. Calm down. She's okay.
She's just sitting there looking around, Mom. She's not doing nothing.
Frozen in time.
She's not gonna do it now, Mama.
I hope not.
Hey, chill. It's just your hair.
Get in the hair again. Okay, come on, that's cool.
He don't hurt.
No, that's cool. You're holding it like that.
She's trying. It's kind of heavy.
He's just sitting up there looking all pretty.
I never got it hurt.
Hey, look at this guy, Mom.
Gotta go. We
He's-
ain't got enough time to sit on. He said.
Golden Condor.
Hello? Can you talk?
Wow, look at all these guys. They're everywhere. Right
Hello?
Oh, look at them. Are these the babies?
Hello? I want this.
Oh, look at them.
I like this.
They're everywhere.
Look, it looks like babies talk.
We can go on a hike, Jeff. We can get on a hike, but I'm not.
Oh, really? This guy must be taking a nap here.
Hello?
It was different when he handed me the bird and I knew it was coming as opposed to just getting on me.
Hello? Hello? Hi?
You didn't want to eat on my shirt.
God.
No, he's not a peacock. He's a toucan, too?
Yeah. Yeah, that's toucan Sam.
Yeah, toucan. That's probably the same thing.
That'd be cool.
Cockatoo.
Can we take a peek off with our head poked up?
Something breasted cockatoo. Oh,
There's the Amazon.
these guys are everywhere, huh?
The boat, Bill Bart, be careful.
Yellow crown Amazon. They're sitting there just hanging out.
Yeah, it's different when you hit it. They feel like that, don't they?
I make the conscious choice to hold it. If it flies up on
Right.
me, I don't make that choice.
Oh, this water fountain's beautiful, isn't it?
Your mama like that.
Hey, let's go this way. You see what they got? Mom.
Look at the little house over there, and that's pretty cool. These guys are kookaberry.
It's called a lie.
Oh, look at him.
No, Kookaburra.
Well, put your hand-
louder than the human laughter.
This guy's looking at you singing Kookaburra. What's wrong with you folks?
Kookaburra sits in the autumn tree, the bush of the bushes he. Kookaburra, Kookaburra.
This is a cool looking bench. This is a peacock.
Ambonia.
Ambonia. Yeah, okay. Hey
Hi,
there.
King Parrot. So you make the rules around here, don't you? King? Yeah.
He's the king. Military macaw.
Military macaw. Hello?
And chocolate pills.
And one just landed
It's
on
different when they hand it to me and I hold my hand out for it.
You're good at climbing.
Behind me and start picking
You
it
should be in
Look
the
at this guy. He's
Olympics.
climbing it.
Hi.
That's very dramatic. Seeing if
Hey there.
like birds to
Hello?
Hi. Come on. You crying. No, want to
Are you going to hang upside down and be a pretty bird? Yeah, you are, ain't you? Pretty bird.
Get him on.
Pretty bird.
Get him on.
Pretty bird.
Get him on. Get him on.
Hello.
Why does it have ratings on them?
Uh-oh, they get mad at each other again.
off if that little thing landed on me back.
I wouldn't.
There's in there, ain't there?
What if there's a huge big one and it was like half as big and he landed on your shoulder?
I'm surprised he didn't pick up on the fact that I was upset with him being on me and he didn't get off me. Or did he stay there because he thought it was
Toucan sand. Toucan sand.
Hey, sleeping in things, Zach.
Really? Hello? Is that why they're called toucans?
I don't think they talk, Beth.
Toucans do talk sometimes. Hello? Look, toucan. Is that people all down there that say that one? Look at us.
Oh, he flew up there to be beside him. Okay.
We're gonna have a moose. I put the moose to bed. I mean, we're gonna have a boat. You don't have the moose to be a good
Hello?
bird.
Hello? What?
You want to go to your cage?
You hello, not you asking me what.
Oh, it's a tomb, y'all. This is pretty cool here.
That's rocking.
I like how they did it, how they had the blankets in there. On me and I knocked it off, and I do that.
Let's look in there.
Huh?
That's so cool right there. Put the angels in there. Over the.
In the tube.
That's pretty sweet right there, isn't it? It's a nice little place to come and sit down and take a little break.
Now you're there for all the nations. Is that it? No, I'm not leaving the way. No, you rest. I figured what's his ascension verse. Are you therefore in all the nations? Choosing them to observe all things. Lo, I'm with you always.
All right, guys. That's pretty right there, isn't it?
Cool.
That's my favorite part.
The baby bird nursery. Birds for sale.
We're over here at Parrot Mountain. One of the dumb birds got on me.
I should have recorded it, tell them.
YouTube, but because I'm petrified and terrified of birds,
This is pretty in
it
here.
freaks me out really bad. Why don't we,
That's a beautiful fountain. Oh man, look at these guys.
Did you hear me, Jeff?
What was that?
Mom,
Eric couldn't go with us if I went.
can we get a fun court? Mom, can we get a fun court after this?
Cool there. Look at the big tiki hut. I like to have one of those in my yard. Okay, we're exiting the. This is the front entrance right here of Parrot Mountain. It's beautiful here. I had a great time viewing all the birds and